Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect your BMW i4 to BMW ConnectedDrive, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect your BMW i4 to BMW ConnectedDrive, start by ensuring your vehicle is parked and turned on. Next, access the vehicle's infotainment system by using the central display. From the home screen, navigate to the settings icon. In the settings menu, look for the ConnectedDrive option and select it. You will then see an option to register your vehicle. Select Register to begin the process. Here, you will need to enter your BMW ConnectedDrive account details. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one directly through the app or website. Once you have entered your credentials, confirm your login. The system will now attempt to connect to BMW ConnectedDrive. If prompted, accept any terms and conditions. You may receive a confirmation that your vehicle is now connected. Next, download the BMW Connected app on your smartphone from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and sign in using the same BMW ConnectedDrive account you used in the vehicle. Once logged in, tap on the Add Vehicle option within the app. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your phone with the i4. You may be required to scan a QR code displayed in your car. After the pairing process is complete, your vehicle and app will sync. You can now access various features like remote services and vehicle status through the app. To verify the connection, return to the vehicle's infotainment system. Check the ConnectedDrive section for any updates or notifications. Congratulations, your BMW i4 is now successfully connected to BMW ConnectedDrive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.